Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix taskbar not working in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So firstly, you have to go to Task Manager. To go to Task Manager, open your search bar and write here Task Manager. Now click on Open, or you can open this from here. Then you have to find Windows Explorer. Here you can see Windows Explorer. All you have to just click on End Process or click on Restart from here. You can see at the Restart button, right? Just click on this Restart, and maybe this time you can check back if your problem has been fixed or not. If still there the issues, then go to the next step. The next step is you have to open PowerShell. So click on the search bar and write PowerShell. Now choose Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. After that, you have to copy and paste this command what you will find in the description below. So just copy and paste and hit enter, and you can see it will work automatically. After that, you can minimize it and go to the next step. The next step is go to run. So how you can go to run? In your keyboard, press Windows plus R together, Windows plus R together, and you'll find this run option. You have to write here Windows, then local app data percentage. Now hit enter. Before hit enter, you make sure that there is no space between this local app data. Hit enter now. From here you have to find tile data layer, which is in T section, but in my case I don't have any tile data layer option because I have already deleted this. But in your case, if you find this tile data layer, TILE tile data layer, then you have to right click on that tile data layer and you have to click on delete option. Just click on delete, and then you're done. Go to the very last step, which is going again Windows plus R together to find that run option. In run option, you have to click control. You have to press the control, hit enter. Then you'll find here this control panel option. In this control panel, you have to find here user account. So how you can find that user account? You can see here, right? User accounts. Click on this, and then you have to click here manage another account. This one, click on this, and then if you want to you'll find here this add a new user account. If nothing is worked for you, this what I have shown 5 steps till now, if these 5 steps don't work for you, then you have to click on this add new user account, and you can use a new account and check that your taskbar will work for that. But in most cases, I hope that if you follow these 5 steps uh, nicely, then your problem will be solved. Okay, otherwise you can use a new account. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.